Friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Risek 40mg. Risek has Omeprazole 40mg in it. It's made by Getz Pharma. It has 14 capsules in it and the price for one box is 364 rupees. It has Omeprazole. Omeprazole reduces the amount of acid your stomach makes. It's a widely used treatment for indigestion and heartburn and acid reflux. It's also taken to prevent and treat stomach ulcers. Sometimes Omeprazole is taken for a rare illness caused by a tumor in the pancreas or gut called Zollinger-Ellison syndrome. Omeprazole comes as capsules, tablets, and as a liquid that you swallow. All types of Omeprazole are available on prescription. It's usual to take Omeprazole once a day in the morning. For severe illness, you can take it twice a day, in the morning and in the evening. Common side effects include headaches, diarrhea, and stomach pain. These tend to be mild and go away when you stop taking the medicine. If you are self-treating with Omeprazole, do not take it for longer than 2 weeks without checking with a doctor. Omeprazole can be taken by adults, including pregnant and breastfeeding women. Omeprazole can be taken by children and babies if it's prescribed by a doctor. If you haven't To make sure Omeprazole is safe for you, tell your doctor if you have had an allergic reaction to Omeprazole or any other medicines in the past. Ask your doctor if you should stop taking Omeprazole a few weeks before your endoscopy. This is because Omeprazole may hide some of the problems that would usually be spotted during an endoscopy. It's usual to take Omeprazole once a day, first thing in the morning. It does not upset the stomach, so you can take it with or without food. If you take Omeprazole twice a day, take 1 dose in the morning and 1 dose in the evening. The usual dose to treat indigestion is 10 mg or 20 mg a day. Heartburn and reflux is 20 mg to 40 mg a day. Stomach ulcers is 20 mg to 40 mg a day. Zollinger-Ellison syndrome is 20 mg to 120 mg a day. Doses are usually lower for children and people with liver problems. Each tablet or capsule contains 10 mg, 20 mg, 40 mg of Omeprazole. Swallow tablets and capsules whole with a glass of water or juice. If you have problems swallowing capsules, you can open some brands of Omeprazole capsules and mix the granules inside with a small amount of water or juice, or sprinkle them on soft food such as yogurt or apple puree. This also comes in a sachet form, so if you are afraid of taking capsules, you can use the sachet. The sachet can be dissolved in the water and used to treat gastroesophageal reflux disease. If you have bought the medicine from your pharmacy, tell your doctor if you feel no better after taking Omeprazole for 2 weeks. If you usually take it once a day, take the missed dose as soon as you remember, unless it's within 12 hours of your next dose, in which case skip the missed dose. Some side effects of this medication are headaches, feeling sick, vomiting, diarrhea, stomach pain, constipation, and wind. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Omeprazole is also safe to be taken during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Thank you.